safe around the hole.
Move, man. I know. On the third day. I understand, man, but this is our job, bro.
I got you. I get it. I get it.
No, I'm just trying to get situated here.
Come on, man.
All cool, folks? I wanted to jump, but I'm dead close.
Yeah, just, I need to pull out and go back in.
Yep.
Get the situation.
Good. 240-432.
Yeah, maybe a little bit up. But you could also clear off all the cart and all that stuff, get all that off the sidewalk.
It's on you, comrades. Do we have banners? Yes, we have ours. Covered here. Here is a microphone system holder. Woo!
Fossil gas!
Out of DC!
Fossil gas!
Out of DC!
Fossil gas!
Out of DC! Keep the gas under the grass! Keep the gas under the grass! Keep the gas under the grass!
Keep the gas!
Under the grass!
Keep the gas!
Under the grass!
Keep the gas!
Under the grass!
Keep the gas under the grass. Keep the gas under the grass.
Electrify!
DC!
Electrify!
DC!
Electrify!
DC!
Electrify!
DC!
Electrify!
DC!
Electrify!
DC!
Gas leaks!
Methane kills!
Gas leaks!
Methane kills!
Gas leaks!
Methane kills!
Gas leaks!
Methane kills! Methane kills!
Gas leaks!
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 Methane kills!
Stop project pipes! 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 We don't want
We're gonna face that way.
We understand the choices that you're making. We understand that you did not come here to participate in the death project. You came here to do the work that you need to do to take care of your family. None of us like the choices that we are presented with. And we're all here, we came here in cars, we came here wearing clothing made out of fossil fuel. We weren't given these choices. This is the world we're living in.
XRDC has been trying to get the attention of City Council for over a year and a half now. For those of you saying, oh, there are better ways to do this, we have tried emailing them, we have tried peaceful protests, we have tried going directly to City Council. We went to the Wilson building like in April or May. No, it was June. It was June 9th. That's right. we really did not want to resort to this, but City Council is sitting on their ass this whole time. The public has spoken. We're demanding a renewable future. The city has supposedly decided to move towards a renewable future, but we're not seeing that yet. We haven't been seeing that, and as people have already said, this project would lock us into decades more that we cannot afford. We cannot afford any more time with gas.
We're symbolically stopping this construction site because this construction site is for a project called DC Pipes. DC Pipes is a $4 billion project that's already over budget, that was approved because Washington Gas has captured the DC Public Service Commission. The DC Public Service Commission was formerly chaired by Willie Phillips. He's now the chair of the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, and they're happily approving LNG export facilities all throughout the Gulf South and the rest of the country. They're killing the planet, FERC is, and so Willie Phillips has started out his killing when he was back here in the DC Public Commission and when this DC Pipes project was approved. So this project that we're protesting, like I said, it's $4.5 billion. That's the budget. It's already over budget. It'll cost every single gas ratepayer in DC almost $30,000. $30,000. Every single person in DC is going to have to pay for this project. And why this project? In 40 years, when this project is done, we can't be burning this methane. We can't be burning this methane for another 10 years. We need to electrify. So that's why we're here. We have wind, we have solar, we have storage devices. That's what we need to power the grid. We have the technology. It's lower cost. I mean, even without polluting local communities, wind, solar, and storage are now drastically lower than methane gas. Methane gas pollutes children when it's extracted from Pennsylvania and Texas. It pollutes everyone along its supply chain. It is dangerous in pipelines. Pipelines explode. Every few months, a pipeline explodes somewhere around this country. And then when it comes into people's homes, it's still methane. It has benzene. It creates asthma. And so it's it's another form of systemic racism, because the first people that are going to electrify are the people that can afford it. And so those people have already electrified. The people that can't afford it, they have gas ranges in their kitchens with poor ventilation, and their children have asthma.
We've got to look at it in the context of the climate crisis, which is causing horrendous disruption to the lives of millions and millions of people all over the world. In the famines, in the droughts, in the floods, people being kicked from their homes, forced to move countries, move cities, move homes, because their lands have become flooded, their homes have become flooded, they can't find enough to eat. These are problems on a global scale. And this infrastructure here that we're stopping today, this project that we're stopping today, is directly causing those problems. It is putting fire on the flames of a world that is burning.
We cannot be locked into fossil fuels for 40 more years. We want electrification now. We want the city council to direct Washington Gas to fix the damn leaks and move on. There's no need to replace every pipeline in the city on the backs of DC ratepayers. This will cost, they say, $4.5 billion, but we know it's already over budget. They can't get their act together to fix the leaks that we've been telling them about for years. And we think we can trust them? No way! They don't want to fix the leaks. They clearly just want to line their pockets. CEO Blue Jenkins is sitting really pretty right now, isn't he? We don't need Washington Gas to lock us into these long projects for years and years and billions. We could get the whole city on wind and solar for the cost of this project. So come on, Washington Gas, stop lying to us. Stop lying to us about false solutions because we need electrification now. We have the capacity to move to electrification.
You're trying to move towards electric, right? Clean energy, that's what you're fighting for? Okay, all right. So with that being said, you stopping them, how you know those pipes are not damaged?
We don't know.
Absolutely. So you have no idea why they're digging the construction to actually change these pipes to make better the environment of this place. Because if you have a leak, then what is that going to cost?
Yeah. So we support repair of pipes.
Okay.
We don't support the replacement of every pipe in the city.
And unfortunately, the workers don't have any control over that. That's something that you would have to take up with the city.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
But regardless, the action is happening. And we're not stopping.
I understand that, but what is happening right now is the people can't work. They need to go. So I'm going to ask you. If you want to protest, stay to one side, but not interfere with their work. Can you do that?
Not the people that are in the middle. No, they're not going to do that.
They're not going to. So what I'm asking you to do, and what you're telling me, they're refusing that they're going to move. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And you're the head of this.
I'm not the head of this.
Okay. But you just said you're a police liaison.
Yeah.
So you're the spokesperson.
Well, no, I'm not supposed to. I'm your communication to our head. I can talk to our head.
Okay. Can you do that, please?
You want me to tell them what?
I would like them to move to one side of the street where we can continue to do the work that needs to be done inside Washington Gas and the city.
Okay.
Okay?
I can talk to them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, everybody else move out of the street. Please request out of the street.
And our third message for Washington Gas is stop Project Pipes! Stop Project Pipes! Stop Project Pipes! Stop Project Pipes! What do we want? Electrification! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Electrification! When do we want it? Now! We don't want no new dirty fossil fuels. Woohoo!
In charge. He's going to start arresting people if we don't get out of the area. So, get back off the streets and onto public property. I'm assuming you guys are all staying here and we'll risk arrest. Okay. So I gotta leave. You have to leave. Everybody's got to get off to the side if they do not want to get arrested. No, you
Once I get my food, I can decide how to run. I can keep it
We will get justice for you. We see you. We
I'm from Utah, and I was getting schooled on police. And in the blue, what's the difference between the blue and the white?
They're like a higher rank.
Why did they have to supervise? They were saying it's because it was we're close to Capitol Hill.
No, there's